Hey, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the future of accounting and finance, that is automation of financials. Discover how automation is transforming the world of finance, saving time and boosting accuracy. For decades, accounting has been known for manual data entry, TDS, reconciliations and time consuming process. But times have changed. Automation tools like AI, ChatGPT, Python scripts and accounting softwares have simplified the game. In this video, I'm going to explain what financial automation is, key tools and technologies we have used, step-by-step process for automatic tasks like trial balance uploads, financial statement generation, and compliances management. Let's deep dive into that. Go to Google and type audit.iqai.com. Don't worry, link I have provided in the below session. So this is a comprehensive web application tool. Primarily, I have developed this tool for the automation of internal audit, but many of the users are raised concern rather than internal audit to automation of financials. So let's discuss about how the automation of financials would be. So first go to login. In case if you are not registered, I would recommend to go to create a new account and type username, mail address, mobile number, password and role. Once if you create it, go to login. So I already created a login credentials. So first login. Once if logged, so go to financial statements. In another video, I'm going to explain the internal audit, how to make an automation of internal audit. In this video, let us discuss about financial statements alone. So go to financial statements. So once logged into the application, go to add new client. So first you need to add your client details. So I already saved few data about the client, so I'm just saving it. So name, client. If you fill all these details perfectly, then client will save like this, Hills and Sons. Okay, just open the client. So see, whatever we have filled the information relating to basic information part, financial information part, signatory part, and audit from details part. This is the most important before you're creating a client and uploading your trial balance data. And moreover, in case if you entered anything mistake here, while you're sending the financial statements, or the generated output would be show the wrong information. So once it is done, go to upload trial balance. So this is the part where the trial balance format will show. So I have been divided this mapping guide into balance sheet, profit and loss account. In balance sheet, current assets, fixed assets, investment, liabilities, equity, and in profit and loss account, income and expenditure. So the file format should be only in Excel, and all columns are required. Total debits and must be equal to credits. Account codes, you can keep anything other than duplicate, and proper structure is required for balance sheet. See, this is all the input validations which we have provided in the code, so that the output would be perfect. See, in case if you don't have any template, so I have given the template format also here. So go to download template, download. So just save the path, this trial balance. I'm saving into this path. So I think that Excel template format has been saved. Okay, if you've seen this here, I have provided a sample format in cash ledger, bank ledger, trade receivable ledger, which you should configure this ledger mainly into two types. One is account type and another one is financial statement mapping. So in case if it is in account type, there is only 5 rules, right? Asset, liability, equity, income, and expenditure. So accordingly, based on that account type, you just classify that. In case if it is relating to financial statement mapping, if it is asset, it will come in balance sheet. Asset and liability, equity will come in the balance sheet. Revenue and expenditure will come under P&L. Okay. So based on that, you just map that. So once the mapping is done, just upload this into here. Upload trial balance. Yeah, successfully uploaded. And please make sure one thing is, you should all, if you are not supposed to keep any financial statement mapping, or if you're not fill any information, or if the debits and credits also not match, then it won't work. Okay, so make sure everything matched, and then after only try to upload it. So once it is uploaded, go to open. So earlier it is showing upload trial balance, now it is showing generate financial statement. Just press this and first open view trial balance. See all the information which we have given in that Excel. So totally 29,80,000. So open the Excel file. I'm using two desktops, so that's the reason. Sometimes it will open desktop too. So total is 29,80,000. Total debit, total credits, total accounts is 37. You can make it a 10,000 ledgers also, no issue, and the difference would be 0. So based on that, account has been classified as asset, equity, liability, and income. Okay. Once it is done, go to back to dashboard. Open it again. Generate financial statement. First generate the balance sheet. Yeah, since I have given into thousands, it's saying all amounts in thousands. So 5 lakhs, security premium 100, and sorry 1 lakh, and the capital reserve, open, return, and earnings. So first I'll go for equity. So this is the balances I have given. So let us test here. So 5 lakhs and 1 lakh and 50,000 and 75,000. This 4,30,000 is our profit during the year. Let us check by generating profit and loss account whether this 4,30,000 are correct or not. Profit and loss account. Wow, see this. So here the profit and loss account also generated perfectly. My total revenue is 14,30,000. So just select the revenue here. Oh, good, 14,30,000. And my cost of material, financial depreciation, everything after gone, it will went to 4,30,000, even tax also. So here all the sorry, actually I kept my name in the owner name also. So please ignore that mistake. And here the audit form details also came, and here the client details also come. Okay, now go to back. And now generate balance sheet. Now just verify that assets are properly generated or not. So 19,80,000 total liabilities, equities and liabilities. Assets are 1,280, and all your current assets is 1,980. So your liabilities and assets are matched. Now go to view notes. Just check the notes. All the schedules are generated perfectly or not. So your shareholders and your capital reserve, security premium, and long-term borrowings, trade payables, other current liabilities, fixed assets, investments, trade receivables, cash. Wow, I think everything is pakka generated here. And so go to now profit and loss account. Now just see the notes. See, nothing I'm doing. I just updated my trial balance here. That's all. So automatically all the data has been generated here. So see here, revenue from operations, note number 12, note number 14, cost of material consumed, and note number 15, employee benefit expenses, other expenses. Okay, just go to back. Now generate for cash flow statement. Cash flow statement. Okay, so in this we have used indirect method to generate a cash flow statement. Net profit before tax after adjusting depreciation, interest income, and the loss on sale of fixed asset in case if anything, and decreases in changes in inventory and working changes in working capital, after that operating activities, after that investing activities, after that financing activities. Then see the depreciation. So total cash and cash equivalent should be 200. Okay, and once it is done, now if I would like to make export into Excel format, let us test how we can make an export into Excel. So first come to client dashboard. After that, here generate, go to export all financials. So I'm just pressed export all financials in Excel. So just save the format. Okay, yeah. It's looking good, right? So Hills and Sons and all the amount here, and profit and loss account, cash flow statement, balance sheet notes, profit and loss account notes. So everything we have generated into Excel format. And that's how financial automation transformed the accounting process. Ready to take the leap? Subscribe to my channel for more automation tips and tutorials. Comment below if you like the tutorial on automating specific tasks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching, and let's connect finance together.